Hello, good morning and welcome back to All Things Defender. Apologies for not posting much recently, been very busy, lots of other projects on the go, a lot of purchases we made really, but today, very exciting day, off to collect a trailer from Avon Trailers in Westbury Trading Estate, over near Radstock, going up to North Wales-ish, well not quite Wales actually, over in Shropshire. More on that later. 7 o'clock in the morning, 7:30 in the morning, and very early, as I said, trailer, gonna go and collect something for the Defender. So stay with me and we will find out what we're collecting. There's Avon Trailers. Super efficient, really quick. Got here about 5 minutes ago, and as you can see, the trailer's already on the back of the car. So off home now, pick up some straps, things like that, and then we'll be on our way. So I shall catch you shortly. So here it is, a couple of days later now. I've had lots of things to do, but I've unloaded it all. It's obviously the top and the sides for the Defender 110. Got it from a guy up north near Shrewsbury way. So obviously got it down in the caravan. So brought it down on the trailer. It's not too bad actually for what I paid for it. It obviously is second hand. There's a few little holes that were put into it. Apparently it was an old RAF vehicle at some stage. But in good condition really. All the bolts, he put all the bolts for me in there. They actually do look like stainless bolts, to be honest, as well. So I'll have a look at those, clean them up. Probably won't replace half of those. They all look quite good really. Put new seals in it though. While these are out, might as well put new ones in. And the door, the rear door, he did tell me was a little bit rusty in places. Places like that you can see. But overall, it's not too bad really. Definitely could reuse it. It's gone at the bottom there slightly. Could repair it though, or get a new one. I don't know yet. See what happens. Here he is, he's always here. He's come to look at the new parts for the Defender. What do you think then? They any good? Arthur? What do you think? He's not sure. Anyway, I shall leave it there. It's not going to be a quick job to put these on. So please do subscribe, follow and all that good stuff for me. And I shall try at some stage to get these on the back of the car.